Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope all will be well. Yes beta, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 6, whole and part fraction. It is very interesting chapter. Okay, you have read in your previous classes about your fraction. So beta, let's start. Today we will discuss about equal and unequal parts, okay, of fraction. Yes beta, listen. A whole can be divided into any number of parts. Suppose करो बेटा, I have given you that one whole. We will say that one whole. We will say whole. Whole means one. Okay. I have taken one circle. Okay. We can say that whole. अब I will divide it into two equal parts. Okay. Suppose I divide into two equal part. ये we can divide that type. Okay. That is your equal part. Okay. And we can divide in two equal part that type also. Okay. And we can divide that whole into two equal part that type. Okay. You can see all are equal and all are divided into 1.5. Yes or no? Whole. अब listen, I have given one picture more. Suppose I have given that type. Okay, and that. Now first we will check in this picture, that is whole, and we divided into two equal part. We will check which one is equal and which one is not equal. Okay. So who will tell to me? Yes, this is your equal. Yes, equal part. And this is also picture of equal part, and this is also, but this is not equal. Okay, this is unequal. Okay, this is unequal. I have given one more picture. Suppose I have taken one square, that is whole. Whole means one, that is whole. Now I will divide it into two equal part. Suppose I have given that picture and I will divide into two equal part. And like this we can divide that type also. Okay, and we can divide that type of also. Got it? I have given one more picture, that. Okay, and I am giving one more picture also. That is whole, and I want to divide into 1.5. And I want to divide into equal parts. Okay. Now who will tell to me which one is equal and which one is unequal? So that, listen, this is equal, that this is also equal, this is also equal, but these are both unequal. ये क्या है आपकी unequal है. Okay. Wait. I am giving one, that is one whole. Okay, that is one whole. ये one whole है. Okay, and two equal parts. I have given that. Okay, two unequal parts. Okay beta, listen, this is the example of one whole. ये one whole है, और like this I divide into two equal part. मैंने इसको two equal part में divide कर दिया. Okay, and this is, ये जो है आपका, ये two unequal part है. ये two unequal part, ये unequal part है. Okay, ये equal नहीं है. Same as it is, I am giving that. Just now I told to you one whole. Okay, and I divide two equal part. Okay, and that two unequal parts. Okay. If anyone asks to you, beta, which one is equal, like listen, so you will say to that. Okay, and you will say to that. Got it? Today we have discussed about equal and unequal part. Okay, so I have given one example here. You can check from there, and you are to do practice also in your notebook. Okay. I am giving one question. Listen. Break beta, listen, keep things in your mind. Yes, equal part. Equal parts are of the same size and shape. Listen, इक्वल पार्ट जो होता है बेटा वो हमेशा सेम साइज का और सेम शेप का होता है, ठीक है. लिसन, अब नाउ दैट आई एम गिविंग वन क्वेश्चन. कलर, ओके, कलर्स द शेप that have been divided into equal parts. Okay, color the shape that have been divided into equal part. Okay, I have given that one question, and I have given that, okay, that I have given 4 picture. Who will tell to me? Color the shape that have been divided into equal part. Equal part को आपको color करना है. Which one picture you will color? Listen. It is equal? No, it is not equal. ये unequal है. It is equal? Yes. We will fill color equal part. Okay. And that is equal? Yes. We will fill color equal part. And it is equal? No, it is not equal. So we will not fill color in this picture. Got it? Okay. Second question I have given, number 2. Yes. Draw line to divide the following rectangle into. Okay. I have given one question. Draw lines to divide the following rectangle into. Suppose I have given 4 equal parts and B 8 equal parts. Okay. Yes. First of all, I will draw rectangle. Do you know? Yes, this is rectangle. अब now we will divide into 4 equal part. So how can we divide? We can divide that type first, 2 equal part, and after that type there. So we can divide 4 equal part. Yes, equal part 4 equal. अब now here I have taken one rectangle, or we will divide that. Okay, 4 equal part, and like we will divide into 8 equal part. We can divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is okay. Understood? Got it? Today is your SW. Do exercise 6.1 in notebook. Do exercise 6.1 in notebook. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.